Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roberto Carballo. I am a Spanish lawyer, abogado, and my office is in Hamburg. Today, I'm going to speak about a very interesting subject, squatting in Spain. What to do? Squatting is a common problem in Spain. It has increased significantly in recent years. Anyone who enters a home without owner's knowledge and against their will is committing either trespassing or unlawful occupation, Article 245 of Criminal Code. The real problem, however, is that it's not easy to rid of a squatter. If a squatter isn't caught in the act of breaking in, they can establish themselves in the home and, based on this fact alone, are considered the actual occupant, entitled to certain rights. A professional squatter, usually referred to as an ocupa, will also claim to be legally residing in the home. In many cases, the trespassers even present forged rental agreements or claim to be the owners themselves. The burden of proof that the squatters are illegally residing in the home lies with the actual owner. Organic law in this year, January, introduced the possibility of resorting to the so-called accelerated procedures provided for in criminal law in cases of trespassing or unlawful occupations. Trespassing occurs when a person enters a home that is the actual residence of the owner. Unlawful occupation of a home, on the other hand, occurs if it is a second home that is not the owner's usual place of residence, but is used by him or by her for holiday purposes, for example. In both cases, it's possible to resort to so-called accelerated procedures in order to deal with the trespass or unlawful occupation as quickly as possible in court. The law also provides for the possibility of the judge ordering an eviction by way of an interim injunction. The prerequisite is that a complaint is filed within 48 hours of the unlawful entry into the home. Despite this procedural innovation, the need for a legal dispute should be avoided from the outset if possible. There are many practical considerations. For example, strengthen the security of your property with professionals companies. Install particularly secure doors and locks. Also consider securing the windows. Install a video surveillance with an alarm system, preferably with a direct link to the police. If you own a house, it's better to build high fences and gates with locks. In any case, it is important that you have a neighbor or security service who will inform you immediately of any occupancy of your apartment or house. In addition, appoint an authorized representative, preferably a Spanish lawyer, by notarial notarial deed who can file a police report on your behalf and take immediately legal action for eviction. Thanks very much, ladies and gentlemen.